Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Salesforce Sandbox. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need to make sure that your organization that has a sandbox. So basically, to create a sandbox, all you need to do is to go to the setup menu here, and then you will need just to go to setup. Then all you need to do is to search for Sandbox and it will take you to the Sandbox menu or panel. So from here, we will be able to start seeing the sandboxes. So already I'm having a sandbox here and you can create a new one by clicking on new sandbox and then you give it a name. Of course, it will create from the production environment and then you will need just to click on next. From here, you will need just to let's specify a name for this one. I'm going to specify. Then you add a data storage. You add an Apex class for this if you would like. But what matters the most is to have a public group to access this sandbox. So make sure that you have the access for the sandbox. So I'm just going to click on cancel, and that's it. So basically, as you can see, it's still processing, and basically after it will finish the processing and that the sandbox has been created, you will need this name. So always make sure to know the name of your sandbox. And to access the sandbox, you will need just to log in to that sandbox at the dot uh, test.salesforce.com. So from here, you will find this test.salesforce.com, and from here you will be able to log in to sandboxes. So basically here you will need to add your username that you have been affected when you have created your account. And basically if your username is something like that, you will need to click on or to type here in the username. You will need to append the name of your sandbox. In my case, it was called uh, new, and basically I will just add here new. So it will be my username, the domain dot new. And as you can see, all you need to do is to append the name of your sandbox to your username and add the password, and you will be able to log in into the sandbox. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.